Nĩ mĩaka 15 rĩu kuma kũrugũrio gwa gatiba njerũ mwaka-inĩ wa 2010 igongona-inĩ rĩa gũkũngũĩra makinya maya rĩgĩkinywo nĩ atongoria ikĩro-inĩ itiganĩte, mwaria thutha wa mwaria makĩrahĩra mawega marĩa maumanĩte na gatiba ĩno.
The Constitution creates a very paradigmatic shift on the rights and freedoms of the individual.
If you look at, for example, when we are dealing with the teachers in the country, you will not hear the Teacher Service Commission being mentioned. You'll hear the Ministry of Education. But the boardroom discussions and the decisions made to ensure we streamline education is under the Teacher Service Commission.
Unlike other forms of government, a constitutional democracy system is not merely a majority rule, but it is about a majority rule that is restrained and guided by the rule of law.
Katiba 2010 became our national testimony, our solemn vow to build a free, democratic, inclusive, and united Kenya.
Nona gukiri uguo, amwe ya atongoria aya matinetigithia kugweta mamwe ma maria matari marakinyanira naho maria marahotomia ukinyaniria wa gatiba ĩno igana kwa igana.
We have a lot of overlapping mandates where you find the executive state departments do not want to let go of functions that purely belong to a constitution, commission, and independent office.
I am the first to concede, and I've said this and I've conceded it in public, that I don't think we are doing well in Parliament, especially the 13th Parliament. I am not here to apologize. You have members of Parliament from the party that is in the executive, and because they are the majority in Parliament, they call themselves government. You have members of Parliament from the minority who call themselves opposition. Members of Parliament are yet to learn that there is no government or opposition inside of Parliament. There is only the majority and the minority, and collectively we are supposed to oversight the executive.
Mĩario-inĩ yake President William Ruto nĩokĩrĩire kũhũrana na ungumania honge-inĩ ciothe thirikari-inĩ, akiuga ũyũ nĩ ũmwe wa marĩa marahotomia thirikari cia matũra.
This calls for a candid and honest conversation within Parliament. Shall members be counted among those who demand and enforce accountability, or among those who undermine the Constitution by entrenching corruption and impunity? That's a question, Mr. Speaker, Parliament must ask itself.
Ruto akĩranĩra kũnyita mbaru macira mothe ma ungumania megũkorwo na wĩira mũiganu.
Corruption must be chased down every alley, every corridor, and every corner of the executive by every well-meaning official and citizen whenever it is spotted. I, William Ruto, President of Kenya, fully support the rigorous and expeditious prosecution of any corruption case backed by evidence.
Kia ODM Raila Odinga nĩakinyĩrĩirie hihi ihinda nĩ rĩkinyu rĩa gũthũrima werũ gatiba ĩno o rĩngĩ akĩendekithia kĩgĩna kĩa NGCDF gĩtwarwo rungu rwa thirikari cia county.
We also need to take a fresh look at parts of the Constitution whose implementation have been problematic.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege.